having lunch.
Bennelong.
Not Babylon.
Not Babylon. Got a Melbourneite here.
There are many ways to get to the Opera House, but today we're driving in from north of the Harbour Bridge, so we get to experience many of the wonderful harbour views while crossing the bridge itself. You can actually park under the Opera House by taking the Car Hill Expressway. Book ahead online to save a few bucks on the day. Now, if you don't have a car, be sure to check out our transportation video to find out all the different options Sydney has to offer. After you've found a spot, you'll emerge in the heart of Circular Quay, with pretty amazing views everywhere. Take a moment to soak in the rolling stairs and the Opera House gleaming white at the summit. Now, you'll have to get through security to enter the Opera House and check in at Bennelong. It's a short walk up the stairs and you arrive at the entrance of one of Sydney's most famous restaurants, Bennelong and Quay, both run by world-famous chef Peter Gilmore. I couldn't waste such an amazing restaurant on a mandate. Sorry Mark, you've been traded in for a younger model. As soon as you step into the restaurant, the indigenous influences can be seen throughout the design and the philosophy of the interior. Even inside such an imposing structure, you get the feeling of being part of the environment. Bennelong is named after an Aboriginal man of the Wangal people. He's noted as one of the most significant figures of early Australian history. He shared his language and culture with the European settlers.
So where are we today?
We are at Bennelong in the Opera House having lunch.
And it's a very special day today because they have the jazz band starting soon.
I thought you were going to say it's a very special day because we're having lunch without any children or babies.
That is also very special.
Yeah.
We might actually even remember it.
Yeah, exactly. And get to enjoy our meal, which is nice.
So Bennelong's in the Opera House.
Yeah, we are literally having lunch inside the Opera House. So I'm sure a lot of people would come here before a show or for other special occasions. And you can see that we have some glass that is obviously one way, and we are very close to the people that are outside and they have no idea.
This double-sided glass is crazy. Just loitering around while we have our three-hatted meal.
Inside, you'll notice the unique architecture of the Opera House. There are no pillars to hold the roof up. Instead, it relies on some serious engineering, such as these concrete ribs. All throughout the year, there are seasonal specials and entertainment on at Bennelong. Check out the website for more details. If fine dining's not your thing, there's a bar area for more casual options.
So I ordered the Hemingway's Toll, eucalyptus based drink, and you ordered
The Little Red Riding Hood, non-alcoholic, made with the 4 Pillars Shiraz.
Peter Gilmore is famous for being inspired by Australia's natural environment and putting modern Australian on the world stage. One of their classics is this pavlova that resembles the sails of the Opera House. Truly magnificent. I went with the cherry lamington.
Is it good?
Today, Bennelong Point is the location of the Opera House. Interestingly, his second wife was named Barangaroo. She was opposed to all the conciliatory efforts on his part. Her name has now been given to the newest area in Sydney's Darling Harbour. Be sure to check it out. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. We're Trip Verdict. We show so you know. Be sure to check out our other videos when planning your trip to Sydney. See you soon.